Hello everyone and welcome to Vlinko's channel. In today's video, I will guide you through resolving the error code 0x80048823 on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If you are encountering error code 0x80048823 on your Windows computer, the first step is to ensure you have a stable internet connection. Open a web browser and navigate to fast.com to check your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection can often lead to download and update issues. Next, we will reset the Microsoft Store cache. To do this, press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run window. In the input field, type WSReset and press Enter. This action will clear and rebuild the Microsoft Store cache, which may cause the store to take a moment to load upon reopening. Another important step is to ensure your device's date and time are synchronized correctly. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the Time and Language tab on the left-hand side. Within the Date and Time section, verify that the Set Time Automatically and Set Time Zone Automatically options are enabled. Then, click on the Sync Now button to update your system's date and time. Finally, you can repair or reset the Microsoft Store application. Search for Store in the Windows search bar to find the Microsoft Store. Right-click on the Microsoft Store result and select App Settings. Scroll down the App Settings page and click on the Terminate button. First, attempt to repair the application by clicking the Repair button. You should see a checkmark appear once the repair is complete. If the issue persists, you can then click the Reset button. This will reset the Microsoft Store to its default settings, and a checkmark will appear upon completion. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.